I'll put this up there. This is from Damn It Dana on the Second Amendment. And she's on Google. You have to look her up and sub to her. It says, this is Vince Vaughn. I support people having a gun in public, not just in your home. We don't have the right to bear arms because of burglars. We have the right to bear arms to resist the supreme power of a corrupt and abusive government. It's not about duck hunting. It's about the ability of the individual. It's the reason we have the freedom of free speech. Vince Vaughn. You know, people, you got to get something in your head. The Constitution is an ironclad contract, enforceable in any court of law. And you can't regulate a right away, even in the name of public safety. Liberty is a right of all human beings, and their government is established to protect those rights, not to regulate them. You get that? These Democrats and the gun control, we have the right to keep and bear arms. They are not allowed to regulate them. Start waking up to what your Constitution says. Now, sometimes I try to tell everybody, and nobody, they half listen, and that's a shame. The Second Amendment to the U.S. Constitution ratifies and preserves for every citizen the right to keep and bear arms, and moreover, that neither Congress or any other instrument of the federal government, they are barred from infringing upon that right. The Constitution, people, is a legal binding contract. These gun grabbers are breaking the law. Now, they aren't going to police themselves. We can see that. You'll have to do it for them. Just remember, the Constitution is the supreme law of the land. States can't overstep it. Congress can't overstep it. The President can't overstep it. It's there for a reason. You got a whole bunch of laws on the books that are totally unconstitutional. And it's time to get these people put in their place. This cannot continue. The Democrats have turned communist on us, socialist, and it's getting out of hand. They are evil. They are not helping the American people out in any way. Instead of trying to fix things, they're only after to disarm you so that they can have more power. That's the only reason. It's the only reason. It's not for public safety. Get that out of your head. Thanks for watching.